Really, Jose? A video on sleeping? Everybody knows how to go to sleep. You just lie down and go to sleep. That's what you're probably thinking, but the reality is that sleep is so crucial for your appearance, for your mood, for your confidence, for your muscle development. Yet most men today still have a problem going to sleep. Not anymore. Today I'm going to show you 7 tricks that I implement in my life that's going to change the way you sleep forever. You're going to get the good sleep, that good REM sleep. If you guys want to hop into this, here are 7 tricks that I do every night to change the way you sleep. Let's go. Number 1, stack 2 pillows. See, here's the thing. If you don't have the right support, you're going to be uncomfortable all night. And what you're trying to achieve as you lay in bed is for your spine to be in a neutral state. Most of us sleep on these worn out pillows that offer no support whatsoever and basically causes a disalignment in your neck, which is why you wake up the next day with incredible pain in your back or lack of good sleep during the night. When you stack up 2 pillows, you level out your head and create that natural neutral spine that you want for better sleep and a better day the next day. On top of that, it also avoids the stagnation of blood around the eyes, so it helps with dark eye circles if you deal with that. Number 2, I want you to shut off all the lights and close down all the blinds. Here's the reality. Our brain is literally a computer, right? So it inputs all this information and then it tells the body what to do. When our brain sees lights coming in from every direction, it lets the body know that it's still daylight time and it's still time to operate. So it lowers the levels of melatonin to keep you awake as long as possible. What do you need to do? Trick your brain. Turn off the lights, shut off the blinds once you hit that bedtime hour. That way your brain will tell your body, you know what? It's nighttime. It's time to go to sleep. It'll increase the melatonin levels of your body and ensure that you get that good quality sleep. Number 3, get a comfortable mattress. Look, we're big men here, right? Everybody watching this is big men. We're grown men. And the reality is that every man needs to invest in a good mattress. And it's different for everybody. The mattress that I use is not going to be the mattress that you're going to like. See, I might like super soft. That's what makes me sleep better. While somebody else likes super firm or somebody likes something neutral. What you need to go do is go to a mattress store and try different firmness levels and see what feels better for your body. But investing in a mattress is like investing in yourself. It's no different than investing in clothing or investing in a nice car. See, that mattress is going to allow you to sleep better, which, like I said, that's what boosts your muscle development. That's what helps you recover. That's what helps make you look better the next day and not as tired. Investing in a mattress is probably the best thing that you could do for yourself. Yo, I can tell you right now that when I received my Helix mattress and I installed it and felt how soft that was, yo, I kid you not, it made my mornings a little harder. You already know I'm trying to wake up at 4 in the morning every day. It was getting hard to wake up. I did not want to get out of bed because I was getting that good, deep sleep with Helix. And that's what a good mattress does for you. Now, the cool thing with our sponsor, Helix Mattress, versus opposed to your regular box spring mattresses that everybody uses, is that it doesn't come in these lumpy, big boxes. See, most mattresses are a pain in the butt to get into your room. Helix literally gets delivered to your door in a super compact box. Now, I don't know if you've ever received a box like this, but I'm not gonna lie, part of the experience with this is the unboxing experience. The cool part when you get this mattress, since it's mostly made from memory foam, they air compress it. In other words, they remove or suck out all the air and they make the mattress super compact. When you get it to your place and you unravel it, as soon as you open the bag or slice it open and the air comes in, it just starts growing into a full-size mattress, and within 10 to 15 minutes, you've installed the mattress in your room without the hassle of having to lug in this massive piece of equipment or furniture. That's what's cool about the Helix mattresses. They've modernized the way you shop for mattresses. And here's how they're really changing the sleeping game. Remember how I told you that for the most part, if you're an average dude and you don't have the advice of your older brother, you would have had to go to a mattress store and test different firmnesses? Well, they do that online for you. See, they have an online quiz. It's completely free. I recommend you guys take it. You can click the link down below. It's free to do. And it goes and it asks you several questions like, are you a back sleeper? Are you a side sleeper? Are you a stomach sleeper? Do you like firmness, softness? They ask you all these questions, and based on your answers, then they recommend the exact mattress for you. That's the process that I went with through with my wife to find the perfect mattress for us. I've had my mattress now for about, I want to say 6 months, and it's getting better the more I use it. I kid you not, it's almost like it's forming and molding into my body, and it gives me the right amount of support every single night. And it just gets better, literally, with age. I want you guys to try it out. I want you to invest in your sleep. So if you guys click the link down below or go to helixsleep.com/TMF, you guys can take the quiz, and if you end up checking out a mattress, they're gonna take up to $200 off of your order, which is a complete steal, realizing that these mattresses are already crazy affordable compared to traditional mattresses. And if that's not enough, they'll also throw 2 free pillows into there, again, on me, your brother, which is the perfect gift for the new year. Start sleeping right, bro. If you guys want to check out Helix, they'll be linked down below. Number 4, keep your feet warm. See, some people have cold extremities, and for those unlucky people, there was actually a study that followed 2,000 people that found when they kept their feet warm, they actually slept better during the night, which means that if that's you, throw on socks. Now, this tip doesn't necessarily apply to me, but it applies to other people. I actually like to use my foot as temperature regulation as I'm getting warm at night, but again, I'm probably just weird. For you, if you want to sleep better, throw on some socks. Number 5, get rid of all devices. Remember how I told you your brain's a machine that's computing data all day long? Well, the same way that it's computing the light and letting it know that, it's daytime, you need to stay awake, it does the same thing with your devices. See, your devices emit a blue light. This blue light confuses the brain into thinking that it's still daylight outside. In the same manner that lights confuse the brain or let it know that it's still daylight and you need to work. This is what lowers your melatonin levels and makes it really hard for you to sleep. So even if you shut off all the lights, but then you go to bed and then spend an hour on TikTok, that blue light is messing with your brain, and all your brain is computing is, I need to keep his body up, which makes it way harder for you to go to sleep. So 1 hour before going to sleep, put away all your devices and use this time for family time, or use this time to talk to your girl, or use this time to read a book, do something productive that doesn't include looking at a screen. Number 6, go to sleep at 10. No, I'm not even kidding. Go to sleep exactly at 10 p.m. I know it sounds like a bedtime and I'm a party pooper, but the reality is there was a study that found that when people were going to sleep at 10 exactly, not only did they have better sleep, they also had better diets and a healthier lifestyle. You want to know why? Because when you go to sleep every single night at the same time, it develops a habit, a routine. Then that type of habit, routine building carries on across your life. See, when you can start building routines, it's easier to build routines in your diet and in your fitness and in your lifestyle. That's why the men that actually had a routine to go to sleep every night at 10 tend to have healthier lifestyles and sleep better and be more fit. So go to sleep at 10. And finally, number 7, exercise during the day or in the morning. The last thing you want to do is hit an exercise right at 8, 9, or 10 at night. See, what happens is that when you work out, again, remember the brain computing information? Well, when you're pumping iron, your brain realizes that you need to put in work. So what is it going to do? It's going to boost your adrenaline. It's going to pump up your blood flow because it knows your body needs to work right now. When you're done working at the end of the workout, it doesn't realize that you don't have more work to do after the fact. So your blood is still pumping. Your heart is still racing. Your adrenaline is still spiked. Do you really think you're gonna have good quality sleep? Of course not. That's why you wanna do that early in the morning. That way you can grab that natural energy and carry it on throughout the day. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 7 tricks that are gonna change the way you sleep. And I promise you try this, you're gonna sleep like a baby at night. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Helix. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.